Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no
I run it up, I'm counting racks, I buy my lonely, I keep me a strap, they better not run up on me, Take one off the map and send him with his homie. I know my brother's riding for me, nigga, ain't no stunning. All black T-night strap with a trying to put it on.
YouTube. What up, y'all? You can tell by the title of the video, we'll be going to a car meet today. Before all that, Pete the Fit, man. Pete the Fit. You know what I'm saying? Slight, chain on type shit. Alright, before all that, I'm about to hit the skating ring. My homeboys, my homegirls, know we about to skate, have a fun time. Car meet should start around like 8, 9 o'clock. So I'm gonna let y'all know we get that big. I'll find the shit. You know, tune in to see y'all. I'll hop in the car. And yeah. But let me tell y'all something, bro. I'm always late to everything, bro. It don't matter what it is, bro. I'm running late. I'm always running late, bro. Don't never expect me to be on time for that, bro. I'm running late, bro. I know I ain't type of video in like 2 weeks, bro. That's my bad. I ain't like, I'm gonna try to figure things out for school and shit. I got accepted to a trade school where they'll plant y'all up at that bread. Until this YouTube starts paying up, bro, I'm at that bread. Wow, Color Brown on the way, bro. I'm just trying to get inspired with a name. Like, y'all have been coming up with some names, bro. Drop it in the comments down below. I greatly appreciate it. Yeah, let me focus on driving. I'm gonna hit y'all while I put the skate ring. Alright, man, I just made it to this bit. Forget nothing. I just made it to this bit. It be dry as fuck. Well, it might be dry right now, but like, oh shit, I'm gonna bust my head. I'm really finna bust my head down, man. Man, fuck your shit. Oh shit. Called dirty as fuck, man. Oh, I'm trying to get me copyrighted. Trying to get me copyrighted. Hold on now. Man, why I put this hot ass jacket on? These hot ass sweatpants. Knowing about 800 fucking degrees outside, man. It's hot as dog doodle. My nigga in and pulled up to this bit. Alright, now nigga, whack your shit, stupid ass. Oh.
You got a mugshot for a reason.
Come my dog in this bitch, man.
Good vlog. Hold on, yo, hold on.
Get your shit right, twin.
Hold on, Chad.
Hot as fuck. That nigga Samsonite.
Where that work, son?
Nigga still working? Fuck like.
Want to get up at 10 o'clock, son? You know that, Tom?
10.
Yeah, oh shit. Good vlog. Hey, son, we finna have fun today. Hey, be careful, son.
Watch out for that
nigga, man. Look at this
nigga,
dude, son.
Yeah.
Look at this nigga.
For the video, go ahead.
Come on.
Spin that bit right now. We might fuck out. Alright, come on. So go ahead and spin that bit. Ah, there you go,
Pussy. Oh, alright.
You got it. Hey, that boy shit might go flat.
My boy about to fucking size it.
What's hot as hell, boy? Hot as hell, nigga. My bitch so bad she can't even go outside. My bitch so bad she can't even go outside. No, we can't skate for shit. I can't skate for shit.
He ain't gonna do it. That nigga was finna do it too.
He was finna do it, son. My ugly ass ain't do it.
God damn, look at the line, nigga.
What that line? We VIP at this bitch.
VIP.
We VIP gas at this bitch.
Damn.
I'm just us. We ain't shit. We some Mormon ass niggas. Alright, I'm gonna put y'all in later. I ain't trying to copyright the name, so I'm gonna talk a little bit.
What up? Ain't know my nigga Brando the sickest with this shit, nigga. Yeah, man. 3-time, nigga. My nigga Brando the sickest. Drop on us trying to go make it. This bad your ass gon' get hit. Spin the block and then reverse the clip, load up, shoot again. Keep on shooting till that button click. How you make so we dead? Fuck the eyes blow off your crib, nigga. Bitch made just like his dad. Every time we spend, we catch a head, nigga. Know what it is. Went to my school and started tipping shit, trying to clear all the biz. If you a rat, the bitch we don't get shit bad off when you dead. Like a pistol, it spit all the sentence, 32 worth the lead. Who won't do something? The sky blue, we left them bodies red. Nigga keep claiming he a demon. Sit his ass next to the devil. 100 shots smoke that car do tripping, trying to catch that metal. I don't know nothing about a boy, you claiming smoke, I bring the shell. Push up on him, what you fucking with, but you gon' sleep forever. Since 15, no, I ain't had a picture. 16, I'm a killer. Fuck that boy, think he a factor, he just do that shit for Insta. When them glizzy get the clapping, he gon' rent to him to Ricky. On the drill, I pop a pill. I don't wanna work through it, can't count on my bitch to smack her too, she even want to kill. Been not come this way, I'm proud to spray tapping on niggas' neck. Grab a Bible before I spit, put this on God, then we gon' kill him. Feel that chopper, bitch. Say feel that chopper, bitch. We gon'
the fuck?
How the fuck y'all get my ear? Go Power Rangers. Black Ranger. Who said go Power Ranger? Oh God. Look at him. Come on, do it again. Good power. Good Power Ranger. Blue Power Ranger. Come on, Sam. Pink Power Ranger. Blue for the two.
Alright, man, we just got done. I'm scared and shit. Call me starts to the fucking 11 o'clock, bro. You not supposed to fucking 11 o'clock again. So what the fuck I'm finna do from 8 to 11? I don't fucking know. What you finna do in here?
No.
What the move is, bro?
What the movie?
Call me started at 11, bitch.
Call me start 11?
Yeah. I ain't fucking wanna go to the cadence.
Okay.
I don't wanna fuck old girl no more, son. I cut her ass off.
G.
Huh?
G.
Who? Oh, yeah. Go ahead and bust your shit. I recorded. It's still hot as fuck outside, even though it's nighttime.
What you doing with that glass chain?
Hey. Shit, nah. It's straight chrome heart.
Tell me over there, I don't know what I'm saying.
Alright. What you doing with my car?
The whole skate crew is outside. Why'd you recording me, sir? Stop put me on your YouTube channel. I don't want to be on there.
You on there?
All the hoes is going to talk about me, man. Is that dude wearing a black do-rag? Wait, hold on a minute. Y'all started saying, we said,
Look at that nigga.
wait, I just put some gas in that bitch. I'm half this bitch. Oh, wow.
Nigga.
Smiling with yours, bro? Hell no. They yours now. Hell yeah.
Oh, but cool as a bitch.
Get some.
Looking on.
We call them Peter Pan glasses. Yeah, why you getting with me? Why you getting with It's always your fault. Hold on.
Do we?
Stop. Shut the fuck up.
Go ahead by the back window. Get up out of here.
That's his car. This is his car.
Get away,
It's
nigga.
his car, so he can't do something.
Boy.
Fucking knuckle walking saw here more. Look at all those knuckles walking. Hey, you know this. I ain't saying no. No. That's free candy booty.
Man, what the fuck? Go ahead, spin that bitch. Bam! Hit it again.
I know. Hey, bitch. Hey, he really can't. I'm just washing my shit too.
Burn out that bit out.
Hit my shit. I'm gonna get a K5. Hit my shit. Hey, nigga. Your light skin ass that got in the truck?
Cause his shit fucked up.
Light skin, bitch.
Yeah, his shit fucked up. Look.
Hey, you wanna hit my shit? Why your Nissan sign light up? It's electric, nigga. God damn.
He don't know too.
Boom.
Oh, wait for it. Oh, wait for it.
Oh, wait.
Oh, wait for it.
Hey.
Hey, move your car.
Move your car.
Move your car.
Wait, bro.
He's spinning that bitch.
See, move it now. Do it now.
Do that bit now. Do that bit now.
Hey, you think you safe right there? He gonna jump the curb and Your shit not real well drive.
Look at that.
Look.
Look at that.
That bitch just goes. Your shit real? What the fuck is he doing? Zooming?
Hello? This I got to get my car. Huh? Don't worry about it.
Let it go.
I'm just not about to come. I just got
Hey,
done.
once you do that, press full throttle. That's what I'm saying. Let it go.
Huh?
No, niggas gonna drift.
All right.
Don't mind her bad influence. Go ahead. Oh, God. Move your car. Move your car. Move that piece of shit.
Man, what the fuck?
Hey, that's a big ass truck.
Oh, no. Boom.
That bitch gonna flip.
Damn.
That bitch gonna flip. Oh, shit. Don't hurt him. I think it's about to flip. That shit do not want to spin. Don't be swinging that bitch this way, bitch. Bro, my shit do not want
Yeah, that big ass truck over here, nigga.
to truck.
We about to hit the store real quick, man. Group of niggas. We all lined up. All these fucking mosquitoes and shit. Hold on.
What you got, V6?
V8.
The quietest one out of these three, and I'm beating both of y'all.
Shit, nah.
I beat him.
You ain't beating me.
I'm beating you.
You're not beating this Heineken.
Your car fucked up.
You're not beating this Heineken.
Hey, bro.
Heineken is great.
These niggas over here locked out their cars and shit. They locked out and shit. they gonna
He said he beat you.
win.
He beat you before.
When we race.
And I beat him. I'm
When we-
leaving y'all ass.
When we race.
Hey.
Hey, go to the store, go to the store.
I mean, I'm leaving him.
Go to the store. Go to the store real quick. Oh my God. Hit her big ass.
$500.
I need no insurance.
Hey, go to the store. Yeah, store. Hey, go to the store. Who can fucking wind in and store and shit?
You want some jazz right now? Nigga got me scratching my head all the time. No, I gotta get a video.
Hide this bitch, man. When they be killed, fire. Help in that bitch.
Oh God, son, they got me.
Better check out my wheels. Better check out my wheels, man. My shit straight. Damn, nigga. That's all I'm gonna remember. Look at this fucking wheel. Look at this bumper.
Dang, how many times you wrecked this bitch?
Son, that bitch, I hit twice on the back.
Young guy damn drive. Nigga scrape that bitch right there. This bitch right here, Gary. That bitch a big ass thing. I straight push that bitch out. I was not going for that insurance company. It's not possible.
Man, everybody give me a drink at that bitch. I'm thirsty as a bitch, I ain't gonna lie to you. Parched as shit. When that bitch come sour. It's a fucking water, man. You got water from this fucking store. I saw that.
Still alright. Fucking hot. When the fucking termites got my damn bro start biting my shit, I said, ooh, fuck.
Bitch, get up.
Exactly. Look, even here. Make sure I didn't get my head up. It's really
I got the cap on.
So what you see? What you gonna do about it?
What the fuck was that?
Why have to be so funny? No. You sound like a fucking Tyrannosaurus, son.
Balls. It's on me.
Hey, yo!
No, bro, that shit fucked up because Lemonade had balled up too, son.
Now, where the fuck Lemonade?
Lemonade did the same thing. Yeah, hey, don't son, tell that shit.
It's like Power Weight mixed with some shit.
Some Sprite, some shit.
W better.
Hey, bro. Hey man, let me show you what's even me more, bro. Hey, more content coming on the way, bro. I got a car coming. I got a new camera on the way. We finna turn this shit up, man. Buku collabs on the way. Buku collabs on the way. See who that be? Who that is?
Hey, go look at the trunk.
Oh my god, buddy! Oh my god! Come on, see that? Gang in this bitch, gang in this bitch.
You know what's crazy? When y'all pulled off, I went and did a little donut on my shit. I spent everything over there. Do the rest. Do the rest.
Bow, 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 bow. Hey, hey, bow, 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 bow. Ooh, ooh, he's still, get him, get him. Get him. Yeah, man. Free snack. Ooh, a free snack. Ooh.
Telegram.
Hey. What was that? That was some crab.
What, nigga? What? Exactly. Hey, nigga. I love you. Don't fuck with yourself. Fuck you. Oh.
That boy took 2 points to the balls.
I ain't make no scratch.
Where we get some
I
food
got
from?
still like, I ain't make no scratch. Nigga just put a whole just put a zip in my cup. That shit creepy as hell. All folks in them, that shit creepy. That bitch got to go.
You ain't see all them bitches, huh? See all them bitches? You're right. You're on the other side.
Hey, I don't know.
Yeah, something right there. I need to come.
Oh, nice.
We call it that fucking box it out.
Had to bust it out. That shit feel hurt.
That's called flabbergasted shit. Look at him, he hurting.
Shit.
He got the shit.
Stomach stinging.
He got shit though.
You got a shit, brother?
No, I hit this shit like twice.
Oh, well, yeah.
Damn, your shit's kind of strong.
That's why he screamed the first time.
Huh?
That's why he was screaming the first
I would
time.
have been dramatic. That shit did hurt.
That nigga said,
Oh! Sir, why is your trunk open, sir?
Who trunk open?
Who's trunk? Nigga said,
I got a video. Go ahead. Come on. I need some money. I need a new car too. Huh? I got like 2K. 2K.
You did that, all your chickens just moved.
Why do oil change every month?
You be sitting up there doing that in the mirror, I guarantee you. She be up there popping her titties in the mirror.
No, I saw that one girl. It's a skinny ass, light skinned girl.
You can't even turn that bitch like you want to look. Why? You can turn that bitch over still.
You talking about the scientist, nigga?
Hey, he look like his brother. He look like his brother with the one day where with the gold suit. The one with the gold suit. He look like him.
I thought to get him a camera.
Hey, he look like the one with the gold suit. How him and his brother was on that bitch together. He really got the body like that man. That's crazy.
Talking about the white niggas.
You wearing diapers.
Banana. Thursday. Go.
Legs look stronger than this. Trash. Be a good cement. It's a fucking brick, bro. You missed by a mile, bro. Now that shit under the other trash can. I mean your car.
Hey, this poor ass whip.
Look, I had to move it. Penguin looking ass. Banana! 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 Banana!
Oh, okay.
Monkey! You knuckle walking ass. Fucking monkey. You got a shirt halfway off, like a fucking target. Fucking branch manager.
Hey,
Hey, Dad, he call you a branch. How you feel, bro?
all right.
Shoot your ass, nigga.
Oh, we gonna shot for shot. Nah, I'm good. I'm on my life.
Let me say, I like my life. Look at that.
You like your life, son?
I love my life.
Sir, please don't start shooting because I am. That bitch gonna die.
Hey, pat that
I
motherfucker.
got a 4.5 with a switch in my book bag.
Go find the body in the switch. To the blow this bitch. Hell no.
That's everybody gonna know.
Shit, I'm going to the food.
Where you finna go?
Probably cans.
I'll beat you up.
All right. Chad, I can't find my keys, Chad. quick, motherfuckers. Please said, do not fucking enter and re-enter and shit. Hey, you don't give a fuck about the law, nigga. Bro, you in the wrong lane, gang. That nigga in the wrong lane, bro. I thought you guys gonna change, bitch. Hey, put your seatbelts on. Set the first, kids. Nah, man, the car be still at 11. So I slide his Honda in that bitch. Nah. She gonna blow up, nigga. She gonna blow up in that bitch, nigga. Nah, but yeah, nah, I ain't sliding this bitch now. I'ma slide that bitch in your hole. No. Alright, man, you buy some food real quick. Lovely Raising Cane's. You get your other pulled up, nigga.
I'm supposed to have to take the other road. Yeah, I could
The other road.
I should have took that way. Okay, go straight out here, right?
You gonna drop him off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, shit. Take long.
Lot of work out and put in. These niggas camping, let your pistol bang, fuck around, nigga pin. Lot of nights under the porch and I'm just trying to hit a lick. I watch John pass me the torch to see I fucked up in the head. We had two different murders. We the one who caused this shit, nothing but killers in my circle. And we all trying to get rich. Man, these niggas got it from the projects. Mike telling me spend no everybody. Not 100, but till 9 times out of 10 throw back a pill. I love the rush, I love the feel the thrill. Miss my dog, no I can't lie over in that water. Ain't had no gear, I'm on them yerks, I'm older high. See my auntie, I keep on sipping. Don't stop driving, stolen ride. If you a rat, become a victim. 3 hands of different murders. While I trying to beat the system. Turn my back, close my curtain. Them niggas know how I'm living. Brand new Glock, fresh open nigga. I'm telling you, hold the pistol. Moving over to a dummy is dangerous in my city. I say fuck a one-on-one. That gang pop out his dumb, walk in the dark, up in the jungle, fit nothing. It's only God. You got that gun, you better blow it. I murder this from the heart. All flaw, cause I exposed a fuck nigga, I'm laying low. One had another murder, the body was all they found. 2 hands the bitch, we swerving, we hitting all with the crowd. 3 hands on the third when I'm thinking they like me down. My brothers know I'm Persian, gon' lay all these bitches down. Hard time, long tears. I work out and put in these niggas cap. Can't let your pistol bang 4 round nigga pin. Lot of nights under the porch and I'm just trying to hit a lick. I watch John catch me the torch cause he got fucked up in the head.
Shots already came. Non-sponsored. I'm gonna eat down these shoes. Say I'm saying our grace, man. Thank the Lord. Please, boy. Pray, bro. If you don't pray, something wrong with you. Oh, I'm gonna get copyrighted. Hold on. Talking about in your whole IDs. In your whole ID, I'm in your pussy whole ID. Oh, yeah. Talking about what? Talking about. Talking about in your whole pussy like yeah.
To the phone, I'm saying. Say vlog. Say how to vlog real quick.
Hi, vlog.
Man, hey. It's up to him. I'm trying to get high. Oh, my bad, vlog. My bad, vlog. I'm behind.
Man, I'm trying to figure out what I'm finna do.
That's my boo.
The car me start. It's only 9:54, bro. The car me starts at like 11. Like, what the fuck I'm finna do? Like, I need to like supposed to charge my phone for real. But I ain't trying to go back to the crib. The crib is so fucking far. Hello? What's up? Reggie Canes. No, where you at? Where you at? Your who house? What's up?
Oh, no.
Why you playing on my fucking phone,
Find
man?
that shit on TikTok.
Man, why you playing on my fucking phone, man?
Say
You don't be
TikTok.
doing that, man.
Say TikTok.
Got me crashing out and shit.
Record me, son.
Yeah, with my homeboy, man. And I'm vlogging right now. Y'all messing up my vlog and shit. Keep calling my fucking phone. Tell me what? Well, man, let me.
What you say? Talk about what?
Looking at. But you can hold up. But eat my hold up. Yeah. Stupid ass.
This how you do. You eat somebody's ass. Oh, my bad. Oh, I didn't know you recording, twin. I didn't know you was recording.
Cut the cameras. Cut the camera.
Cut the camera off.
Cut the camera.
Cut it. Cut it.
Stupid ass. Put that boy down.
Do it again.
Oh. That nigga dog, nigga.
So eat somebody. Eat somebody gooch.
That's trifling as hell. Oh, she trifling as a bitch. She throwing shit on the ground. She throwing shit. Hey, come pick that up. Come get that up.
Don't put that up.
Why you being trifling like that? Come pick that up. She littering. She littering. I'm in there.
I'm about to dive in there.
I'm driving that
about
pussy.
in it.
You talking about? Fuck you. What the fuck is you looking at? Huh? What? Stare at them niggas.
Tripping. I'm not
What?
even staring at him, bro.
I can't record a piece.
We finna get kicked out, nigga.
They be got police on this nigga.
Yeah, we finna get kicked out this parking lot.
If your numbers play sirens.
Oh no, we're just recording, sir. We over there dancing. I don't know what they.
Fuck y'all niggas looking at.
We got the. Hey,
Fuck them
so,
boys looking at,
the
man.
boom. The boom. So
Take that man order, man.
We got the joint
Pitty
sweatpants.
fit, pitty fit.
We got the design hoodie. with the track shirt on.
Tight shit, tight shit, tight
With the
shit.
Crocs on. Look like.
Alright, YouTube. I'm currently waiting to the car meet right now. It started at 11. And I'm kind of late. I ain't never gonna work early. Yeah. So I get there. Alright, we made it to the car meet. Ain't nobody here right now, which is reasonable. They just posted talking about police going and shit. But yeah, a couple cars out here. I see a whole Hellcat on the other side over there. I see a little Mustang right here and shit. You know, these bikes are cutting up. It's been in the field. They got one pulling up. Shit, these bitches tough as hell. Let me turn the camera. Yeah, man, got a whole Hellcat over there. You're not really focusing for real, but we're gonna go down to it. We got a Hellcat right there. Couple niggas down there, man. Right on my side, bro. He's putting up for real, man. This shit might be a fucking movie, bro. Couple niggas pulled up, man. Shit might be a fucking movie, bro. Hit me for it, but shit. Hell nah, man. Look, bitch. Hey, that nigga, I'm gonna drip this bitch. What the hell? I'm gonna drip this bitch. This bitch will blow the fuck up. I feel like they had my keys in this bitch. Man, they sliding this bitch. What they my fucking keys? Fuck nigga get Batmobiles from. Fuck, I want a Batmobile. Hey, I'm gonna get one of the bitches soon, man. I'm gonna drip in my shit too. I wanna fuck a Batmobile. They're sliding the scats and Hellcats and shit. These niggas like they fucking leaving and shit. What the fuck? Niggas just way over here. Like they leaving like 2 minute ass show. Look up, just blaming music and shit. They living like that bitch right there hard as hell. Like, look at that shit, bro. That bitch, that's that one right there. Fuck, y'all nigga leaving, twin? Hold on. Tight shit. Look at my.
Bitch,
let me see you
walk.
Alright, we made it. Take the location, let's check the location. A little bit more lit. That nigga shit on fire though, cuz. That boy shit sparking, bitch. Nah, but this the second location. The first one, I had to change the location. So I call my man, that nigga, man, son of a BG. Boy sliding that shit. Man, the police put up to this bitch, man. Get the fuck up out there. Hey, get the fuck up out this bitch, man. Fuck up out there. Alright, hey, got the fuck. Nah, man, they might post the third location later. And, fool, I don't know, 12. Alright, man, we y'all over 3rd location go. Alright, y'all, they posted the 3rd location. Last bit, the police pulled up to that bit. Everybody had to get the fuck. I'm talking about left, lights not even on this shit. I'm eating out that bit. They put the 3rd location, somebody gotta use the bathroom kid. Niggas say drink, we come thirsty as fuck. When I pull up to that bit, that bit get shut down. I'm going home after that call the video. Alright, so boys, we trying to get. Man, you not grabbing this bitch right here from the store, nigga. You missing out. Pink lemonade hit different, my nigga. Let's see, go to the store, grab you one of these bitches, my nigga. Yeah, man. But I'm gonna try when I get to that bit. That bitch better not get canceled soon. I'm gonna be so fucking mad, man. Alright, man. Peace. We hit y'all. Hit y'all when I get there. Bet. Alright, so last part me. I canceled the last location. I canceled. I pulled up. So I'm going here home at the crib. That's all for today's video. So like, comment, subscribe.
Come on, come on. We gon' be alright. I told the bro hang out with Jay. Strap my nigga straight, he keep a Glock coming with a dick. Nigga.